Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Making triangles with the Shape tool. Open Photoshop. The icon is a blue square with PS in the middle. Click File. It is located in the top left corner of the window. Select New and then OK to start a new canvas. You can also use an old canvas by double-clicking your saved Photoshop file. Select the solid rectangle button from the menu on the left. It is typically located between the black arrow and the hand icon. Right-click the solid rectangle to open the Shape tool menu. Pressing the U key will also open up the Shape tool. The icon will be indented or highlighted on the left menu bar once the tool is active. Set the Shape to Polygon tool from the menu. Polygon is listed on the small menu that popped up from right-clicking the Shape tool. Click on the Settings wheel in the top right over the page. Right above the canvas space where you can physically draw is where you'll find a ruler. Above that, there will be some buttons with options that change depending on what tool you select. For the Shape tool, you'll find the wheel or cog icon there. Uncheck the box next to star. This option will appear from the drop-down window that you get from clicking on the Settings wheel. Drag on the canvas and let go of your mouse to create a triangle. You can rotate the triangle by rotating your mouse. Click on the triangle to edit it. Making triangles with the pen tool. Open up Photoshop. The icon looks like a blue square with PS in the center. Click File. It's located in the top left corner. Select New and then OK to begin a new canvas. You can also use an old canvas by double-clicking your saved Photoshop file. Select the Pen tool. This tool has a pen tip as an icon on the left menu. It can also be used via a shortcut by pressing P. Click on a point on the canvas where you want to start your triangle. It will leave a small solid square behind. Click on the canvas where the first side will end. Click on the canvas where the second side will end. Click on the hollow square where you made the first point. Photoshop will usually connect the dots automatically to form a triangle, but if it doesn't, this should fill the triangle. Click on the Move tool to finish your triangle.